Experiment 17. Mix the unmixable lava. Ingredients needed from kit. Coloring agent, packet 12, which is your foaming agent, bottle 9, which is your glow-in-the-dark potion powder. Tools needed from home, a medium to large bottle, oil, water. Note, for this experiment you will need to use all 5 foaming agents. If you want to use less, so you can do the experiment again, you will need to use a much smaller bottle. Directions. Put some coloring agent into the bottle just like for the oil clock. Step 2. Pour water into the bottle until it is about 1/5 full. Step 3. Pour oil into the bottle until it is 3/5 full. Step 4. Optional, put in a few small scoops of glow-in-the-dark agent for extra magic. Close the cap and shake the bottle well. You will need to be in a dark room to see the magic. After you put the glow-in-the-dark agent, put on the lid and shake the bottle well. Step 5. Open the cap and put all 5 foaming agents into the bottle. Next, wait a little bit, then put the cap on.